Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and aspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of woodworking and how you can turn your passion for crafting beautiful pieces of wood into a thriving home business. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, this video is packed with tips and insights to help you get started on your woodworking business journey. So grab your favorite cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about setting up your workspace. A dedicated, well-organized workshop is the heart of any successful woodworking business. You don't need a huge space to start. Just a garage, basement, or even a shed can work perfectly. Make sure you have good lighting, proper ventilation, and enough room to move around safely. Now let's equip your workshop with the essential tools. If you're on a budget, start with the basics. A good quality table saw, miter saw, hand tools, clamps, and safety gear like goggles and ear protection. As your business grows, you can invest in more advanced tools and machinery. All right, with your workspace set up and your tools ready, it's time to decide what type of woodworking projects you want to focus on. This could be anything from custom furniture, cabinets, and shelving to smaller items like picture frames, cutting boards, and toys. Think about what you enjoy making the most and what has a market demand. Design is a crucial aspect of woodworking. Start by sketching your ideas on paper or using design software. Create a portfolio of your best work to show potential customers what you can do. Remember, quality and uniqueness are what will set your business apart from the competition. Once you've got some projects under your belt, it's time to price your work. Pricing can be tricky, but a good rule of thumb is to consider the cost of materials, the time you've invested, and the level of craftsmanship involved. Don't undervalue your work. Quality handcrafted items deserve a fair price. Marketing your woodworking business is essential to attract customers. Start by creating a professional-looking website and setting up social media profiles on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Share high-quality photos and videos of your projects, behind-the-scenes shots of your process, and customer testimonials. Engaging content will help build a loyal following. Consider selling your products online through platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or your own e-commerce site. These platforms have a vast reach and can help you find customers beyond your local area. Don't forget about local markets and craft fairs. They're great opportunities to showcase your work and connect with potential customers. Building relationships with your customers is key to your business's success. Provide excellent customer service, ask for feedback, and offer personalized touches whenever possible. Happy customers are likely to return and recommend your business to others. Finally, don't forget to continuously improve your skills and stay updated with the latest trends in woodworking. Join woodworking forums, attend workshops, and watch tutorials to learn new techniques and get inspiration for your projects. And there you have it. Starting a woodworking business from home is an exciting and rewarding journey. With passion, dedication, and a little bit of business savvy, you can turn your woodworking hobby into a successful enterprise. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Check the description for details on everything we talked about. Happy woodworking, everyone! Check the description for details.